So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey current user. And now you want to expand control panel. And now you want to expand desktop. And now you want to click on window metrics. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the window metrics folder. And now once you're on this, you want to find icon spacing. If you don't have it, then you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on string value. You want to call this icon spacing. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now you want to double click on icon spacing. And now in the value data box, you want to type in -1128. So in this box right here, type in -1128 and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.